your own sense, and you briefly touched upon it, what is the net benefit that taxpayers can expect if they switch to the new regime? Obviously, there are various income profiles. Can you give us the broadest sense of who benefits the most and to what extent?
Now, every section of the taxpayer benefits, number one. Number two is the person who is the lowest rung, earlier up to 5 lakh, now up to 7 lakh in the proposed regime, is not required to pay any tax. If he is salaried employee, it becomes 7,50,000. So a person earning 7,50,000 per annum without any deduction, without any exemption, will not be required to pay any tax. Now coming from 7 lakh or 7.5 lakh to 15 lakh, at 15 lakh, our calculation shows that in the proposed tax regime, the tax payable would be 1,50,000. So effective tax rate works out to 10%. Okay. But if there is a taxpayer who with the income of 18,75,000 with a deduction exemption of 3,75,000 in the old regime, net income becomes 15 lakh, will also be paying tax of 1,50,000 in the old regime. That means to say 18,75,000 income, deduction of 3,75,000
plus exemption.
Of deduction exemption put together is at the same level as income of 15 lakh in the new regime. If a person has lesser deduction and exemption aggregating to 3,75,000, the new regime, the proposed regime, would be beneficial to the taxpayer. Now the issue is at the income level of 15 lakh or 18,75,000, what could be the quantum of deduction or exemption one can enjoy, because one requires money for expenditure, for his own utilization and all that. So it is our perception that it's quite decent amount which is we have thought about making it an inflection point. So 3,75,000, if a 18,75,000 is putting to exemption and deductions, is at the same level as the new regime. I believe many people who are claiming less than this would be better off in the new regime. Okay. And that will be the position in the income level higher than this. Above 5 crore, obviously surcharge will make a lot of difference and they will be benefited.
One question about the way the new tax slabs are proposed to be said, and it is my understanding when I looked at it, for 12 to 15 lakh taxable income, the rate is 20%. And the moment you cross 15, you go straight away to 30. Shouldn't it have been 25% if you were following a graded 5 to 10 to 15 to 20? Why this sudden jump from 20 to 30? The point that someone said that you are perhaps targeting those who are what you see as the creamy layer, really.
We could, our calculations could lead to this thing. It could have been done that way, what you are proposing, what you are suggesting. So it's a call to be taken. See, budget exercise is very time oriented. There is a timelines involved. There is a lot of work to be done. It's really, I'm saying, our team is working overnight, at times 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Even I left office at 12:30 in the night.